Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic is the proposal by Anto Checo. School BHSS Kumarial, teacher Muhammad Abdul Ahangar, page 161 from your book. The proposal is written by the proposal by Anto Checo. He was a Russian writer. Born in 1860 and passed away from the world in 194. He is famous for his short stories. Not in the Russia but in the whole world. Chico worked as a doctor through his literary career. He was a doctor in the literary and literature. The famous plays of Anto Checo is the Three Sisters. These are his famous plays, and Cherry Orchard and the Cherry Orchard. और आज जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं द प्रपोजल, इट इज ए प्ले एंड इट इज मेन कैरेक्टर जो है इसमें वो है नतालिया, ए हैंडसम एंड हेल्दी गर्ल, and Chibuku is a rich man having a lot of assets. He wants to marry Natalia. This is the story of these. But both Natalia and Chibuku both are quarrelsome people. They are quarrelsome people. But before going to real play, when Natalia and Chibuku they quarrel and they angry with one another, the father becomes intermediator. The father of Natalia, he becomes intermediator. He reconciles them again and brings them close. This is the main aim of this play. But before going to the real play, the author says about the environment of Russia. He says in early years there was Russian marriage that was simple. Russian marriage was very, very simple. In what way that was simple? The bridegroom had to arrange The bridegroom had to arrange rings, dress, car, or anything for the bride. But now that has changed. As per the author, everything has changed. Now all has changed. Both both the bride and the groom make a lot of expenses. अब दोनों बहुत खर्चा करते हैं, दोनों तरफ से बेशुमार खर्चा होता है. In addition, the writer writes the Russian marriage lasts for 2 or 3 days, but he adds that now the customs have changed. Sometimes in rich families, the marriage lasts for a week, and there is a lot of expenses in this. Moreover, the writer says that now the bridegroom and bride share expenses, a lot of wealth and possessions before marriage. They consult one another, they come close to one another, they make relations with one another before their real marriage, and they make a lot of expenses before their marriage. This is the first paragraph of this play, The Proposal. Thank you.